Hi, what would you like?
I would like a coffee, please.
No problem. Will you have it here or to go?
Could I have it to go?
Okay, what kind of coffee would you like?
Dark roast, please.
And what size would you like?
Can I have a medium?
Sure. Would you like sugar and cream?
Yes, please.
Here you go. Would you like anything else?
No thanks.
That will be $4.
Great, thank you.
You are welcome. Have a nice day. Hi, how can I help you?
Do you have tea?
Yes, we have many kinds of tea.
I will have green tea, please.
Sure. Will you have it here or to go?
I will have it here, please.
Okay. Would you like anything to eat?
Do you have sandwiches?
Sorry, we are out of sandwiches at the moment.
That's fine. Do you have cookies?
Yes, we do.
Can I have cookies to take away, please?
Yes, of course. Would you like anything else?
No, thank you.
That will be $10.
Thank you. Can I pay with card?
Yes, you can.
Can I have the receipt, please?
Here it is.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hi, can I have our bill, please?
Yes, for sure. Your total is $8.
Thank you. I will use my loyalty card points today.
That's great. You should do that more often. You have lots of points.
You're right. I should. I have to use some points before they expire.
Don't forget, your points expire at the end of the month.
I will see you tomorrow then. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. See you.